Slow-moving traffic, little room to move? These days, that is less the case for motorists driving through St. Catherine's fourth largest and rapidly growing town of Linstead. A welcome response to the usual traffic build-up comes with the construction of a modern transport terminal facility. It's the place for public passenger vehicles to stand, let off and pick up passengers instead of clogging up precious space along the roads within the town. The Linstead Transport Centre came out of a plan by the Transport Ministry, working with the Ministry of Local Government and local authorities. The plan was to establish standards for the design, operation and maintenance of transport terminal facilities island-wide. Linstead was prioritised as one of the major transport hubs without an appropriate terminal facility. The Transport Authority undertook the construction of the facility at 23 King Street as part of its monitoring and regulatory thrust and to lift the standard of public transportation. The centre was built on a 3,046 square metre lot at a cost of $38.2 million. Its completion came almost 2 years later after the refurbishing of the Linstead taxi stand, which was built at a cost of approximately $10 million. That stand will operate as a terminal point for 209 taxis servicing 13 communities. The newly created Linstead Transportation Centre, meanwhile, boasts an administrative block, 2 guardhouses, 2 shops, 3 vending stores, 1 open gazebo, restrooms and parking lanes. The current design accommodates 292 route taxis and 110 rural buses. All 402 vehicles, buses and taxis use the centre under a scheduling system that ensures they are not all converging on the facility at the same time. It's a development which takes the ministry a step further in its mission to facilitate free movement of people and goods, as well as to ensure dignity and safety in public transportation. The Linstead Transportation Centre is expected to provide residents in and around the town with greater accessibility to public transportation and improve customer service and comfort in commuting.